Advay.
And my name is Aditya.
Today we are going to do a book review of the book called
The Christmas Toy Factory.
This looks like this is going to be related to Christmas.
A book related to Christmas. And yes, it is a book related to Christmas.
No questions. Now let's talk about the book.
So, Geronimo's grandfather William tells Geronimo to work in his office all day instead of celebrating Christmas.
Geronimo is disappointed, but his co-workers annoy him for joining the Christmas party.
Co-workers,
whatever.
So, but Geronimo can only think of one thing: work. So Geronimo
does work all day and night, and finally while he sleeps in the office and
no, please. I invented the joke, so let me see. Okay, so when he's trying to sleep, elf called
Ding Dong.
Ding Dong, not the
Ding Dong,
not the bell. Ding Dong.
Ding Dong.
Hey,
Someone is on the door.
Not that Ding Dong.
Yeah, I know that.
Now, please let me speak. So anyway, Ding Dong, I just never get tired of this. So Ding Dong tells Geronimo to
go to Santa's workshop as Santa needs him.
Santa's factory. So yes, so Geronimo goes into the factory. Like, what else can he do? He's always convinced in the end.
Yep, he's always convinced in the end. So now Geronimo goes to the factory despite surviving the dangerous flips and cartwheels of Ding Dong's sleigh.
So he reaches there in the end,
and sees that Santa is ill.
And so because of that, Santa cannot distribute toys to all the children in the world. So he asks Geronimo Stilton.
Why would he ask he?
Now, please, let me say that in the scary tone. Geronimo Stilton.
Now, why would Geronimo Stilton be the mouse to help Santa?
Please, just let me complete the sentence once. All I'm asking, one turn. So, Geronimo Stilton, I need your help to distribute all the toys in the world. And I don't care if you want to do it or not, because you will do it. Okay, he didn't say the last part, but that always happens in the end. So, he's like, okay, and just like every other book, I'm always convinced, so I'll help him because that's the plot.
Yeah, so Geronimo then goes like, puppy, ah! And then finally fails.
But, in the end, he has to distribute all the books. So, he bids goodbye to Santa and Ding Dong. And then...
No, Ding Dong comes with him.
Yeah. Actually, he does come. But I just wanted to say the word Ding Dong. So anyway, that he goes with the elf Ding Dong, and after loading all the gifts from all around the world for children, Geronimo goes with Ding Dong and goes around the world with Ding Dong to distribute all the toys in the world.
Would I manage to distribute the good toys for the children before sunrise? At least let me speak the whole sentence.
First of all, can I say to repeat the word Ding Dong? You are like literally shouting like a barbarian. Even worse. So anyway, can Geronimo distribute all the books in time? He already said that part. Wait. Can he
survive the dangerous life cycle?
It's not life cycle. This book is a book for children. It's not about life cycles. It's not about death. No. It's not about death. So anyway, will Geronimo survive the not at all dangerous, but we are saying dangerous. So will Geronimo survive the dangerous journey, and will he distribute all the toys in time?
Read the book to find out. So this was an interesting read. I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, that's it.
Well. This was a pretty funny book, as you can see here. Triplets. If only I had my own team of reindeer and could fly far away to Santa's toy factory.
He only actually said far twice. He said it 5 times. So anyway. So this book felt very familiar to me while I was reading it, even though I never read it before, because like always
He has actually.
So this book felt familiar reading, despite this being the first time I read it. When I read it, so at that time I felt familiar reading a book because, like always, Geronimo is forced to do a task, and just to make the books more child friendly, they say convince instead of force. So Geronimo is forced and basically dragged along, like always.
Let me be dragged along.
He's even worse than that. Geronimo is even worse than that. So he's always dragged along on adventures when he doesn't want to, and a lot of times his snout gets stuck between his, as his tail gets stuck between his legs, and he just crushes his tail. So basically, he does it all the time.
He fails, he snaps, he does like this.
And he cries a lot. So this book was so familiar despite reading it like for the first time when I read it. He just cried so much. But it was a fun book.
This is the end of today's video. I hope you continue. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button with a subscribe button. Until the next video, bye.